Have you ever seen someone post up for a convo on Instagram notes? I used to wonder why. They have this perfect life on display, an ideal life, caring boyfriend, an amazing friend group, and a never ending highlight reel of fun. Yet, here they are, craving a random conversation. And yeah, sometimes I would think, should I text her? She has those captivating eyes, that beautiful smile, but then life moved on. And now, instead of wondering, should I text her? I got a bigger question to handle. That is, and for a quick answer, I went to a merchant navy group of mine where I asked the same question to my friends, and they be like,
भाई क्यों पूछ रहा है भाई? इंटरव्यू तो खत्म हो गया ना, तू भी सिलेक्ट हो गया, मैं भी सिलेक्ट हो गया। अब यार देखना छोड़ना यार क्या।
Really, nigga?
let me take you back. A few years ago, I missed qualifying for JEE Advanced that close that I could have taken a drop, maybe fought my way into IIT, or I could have accepted the BSc Computer Science seat at BHU, a respectable choice, or maybe sharpening my design skills and gone after the creative field. But no, here I am standing on the deck of the Merchant Navy journey with questions that are far heavier than anything. Because this field, it's not easy. The workload, massive. The mental stress, unimaginable. The physical toll, relentless. So why did I choose this field? For money? No, it's deeper than that. And today I'm going to break it down for you. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to dig down on this question and tell you why Merchant Navy. So according to me, the answer of the question lies in four factors. Imagine starting your career when most of your friends are still thinking about what to study. To get a head start by your 40s, you could already be looking at retirement options while everyone else is working for decades to save that money, and you will be living the life of your dreams. If you start earning early, then you will know how to manage your money in an early age. Merchant Navy teaches you real life financial skills like saving, investing, and making sure that you are set for the future. It is not just about earning big, it is how you manage your money, because capital makes capital when you know how to scale it. Traveling is a luxury, and it is also a reason for most of the people to earn money. I get it. Who doesn't want to travel and explore new places? The Merchant Navy is one of those rare jobs where you get paid to see the world. Imagine visiting countries, learning about different culture, expecting and experiencing life outside the classroom, all while building your career. It's not a vacation, it's just real hand-on money while experiencing stuff and being an important asset for the economy. There are these online creators talking about leveraging the work that you do.
Come close to this. And that creates something called leverage. And this is what most people fail to understand.
You have something that you can use to leverage a higher salary. But I will end this all on the same message that I have repeated numerous times in this video. Stop chasing money and start chasing solutions.
Literally, it is like a curse for the people in India that $1 is equals to 85.8 rupees, and it is becoming more and more. But me and my homies are chilling because that the money that we are going to receive are in dollars and without any tax deduction, making a real impact. This is a bonus tip for you. Here's something not many people talk about: the Merchant Navy, which is very crucial to the world economy. You are playing an active role in ensuring that all the products and resources are transferred safely from one place to another. You are not just earning a paycheck, you are part of something that affects the whole planet and thousands of countries' economy. So actually, why Merchant Navy? Because it's a career that gives you a head start in life, teaches you responsibilities, and gives you the freedom to live life on your own terms. And the best part, you are not just working for money, you are working for the freedom that comes with it. If you are looking for something that offers you more than that a job, think about the Merchant Navy. it might just be the game changer you're looking for. And now, if you ask me, भाई ये सब तो समझा, but वो इंस्टा वाली लड़की का क्या हुआ? Then I will just say, sayonara, फिर मिलेंगे दोबारा.